Hello, learners. How are you? How are you doing? It's Murad Sultan Azwidi. Just I told you that I will start. Let's say I will make a revision at 30 past 8, but now I thought it's 5 or 8 minutes too late for you. Okay, but I'm here to continue, learners, to start. Let's say doing. Okay, to start. Okay, start doing the revision for you. Okay, I'll just send this for you, my learners. Okay. Yeah, Allah. I'll share this with you. Okay, grade 12, grade 11 boys. Okay. Okay, Turkey. Korean, Agdad, okay. Muhammad Amr, okay. Join your teacher, join your okay, pioneer in math, okay, in math. Murad Sultan Azwidi, HSM, okay, HSM, okay. Now, learners, I will just go to the lecture. I will go back to the lecture. Okay, okay, Facebook. Join your mathematics teacher. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? It's Murad Sultan Azwidi. Okay, you can learners, you can just, I will write this, you can learners join, okay, join, okay, join me to make you let's say to make you understand methods. Okay, now I'll just continue. Okay, now learners, we told that at 30 past 8 the revision will start. Okay, so I'm going to start. You can take this and put it in charger. Okay, take the charger. You can okay, I will give this for you, or you can go there and sit there. You can go and sit there. Okay, so learners, we'll just start now revision. Okay, I told that I will okay, final exam. Okay, grade. Okay. What is it? This one. Bismillah. So we told that we'll try to do our best to let you understand all the chapters. Okay, now I just go on, yes, like that. Please, Ayub, can you give me the phone first? Okay, just I'll make like that. Okay. Wait for me. Wait for 2 minutes, learners. Okay. Now the next page, the next one. What is it? Hello, my kids. How are you? How are you doing? Hello, my learners. How are you doing? It's Murad Sultan Azwidi, the mathematics teacher, the pioneer math, is inviting you to join your lecture, and through this lecture we'll, let's say, try to understand, let's say, the concept of mathematics. Okay, this is the lecture. We'll start. Resume. We told this is the lecture will start, learners. Okay, and I wish that it's clear for you. Take the device. Okay, that's how I post this. Now delete. Go. I put into charger you, and you can, let's say, watch. Okay, so learners, I will just now proceed. Okay, I'll go back, go down, Mr. Murad. Yeah, okay, good man. Good man, Mr. Murad. Yes, excellent. Okay. We have this equation. I can see it here. So the question now, learners, is about remainder theorem and factor theorem. Okay. Means the first, the second unit. Okay, the first unit is solving quadratic equation and simultaneous equation. Okay, now we are going to see the second unit, which is dealing with polynomial functions, remainder theorem, and factor theorem. Okay, the question here, you can see that given the function of x is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 6, show that x plus 1 is a linear factor. Okay, show that x plus 1 is a linear factor. To show this, learners, you will just okay, hello, okay, sorry, I'm recording the lecture. I'm recording now the lecture. I cannot answer you now. Okay, thank you. Okay, خلاص, you are enjoying. Good man. Now the next one. So the question is in front of your eyes, isn't it? So think of the question. You can write it down. Okay, on your drafts. Okay, and what else? And try to solve it till I will fix this one. Okay, great boys. Okay, I'll just tell them, inform my learners that. Hello learners, how are you already doing? It's your mathematics teacher Murad Sultan. This video now is joining on you can join me on my channel. Okay, on my channel, yes, Murad Sultan video HSM, the pioneer in math. Okay, you can join me and you can ask your questions using OBS Studio if you have let's say doubts or something like that. No, don't hesitate to ask for. I'm here to answer you. Okay, therefore I'm not alone. I am with my son Ayub. Okay, he's there somewhere, I don't know. Okay, by the way, I'm continuing, let's say, solving these questions. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will try to think of the question. The question is the function of x equal x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Show that x plus 1 is a linear factor of x. Okay, means you are going to use the long division method or the remainder theorem. Okay, okay. Therefore, given the function of x equal x cubed plus 2x minus 5 minus 6, show that x plus 1 is a linear factor. Okay, here learners, I would just use my function of x. Okay, I will just use if x equal minus 1 is a root, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of x. Okay, I'll just use this techniques or this theorem. Okay, like that. Then I will use the second method. Okay, so this is my function. This is my function f of x. Okay, now I'll go back. I'll go up شوية so that you can. Okay, now the question, learners, is in front of your eyes and you can start doing this. Okay, so here learners, the question is, show that you should prove that x plus 1 is a linear factor of f of x. Therefore, I'll just write if x plus 1, between parentheses of course, if x plus 1, okay, is a factor is a factor. We told if x plus 1. Mr. Sir Turkey and the other learners, we told that we'll try to work with the units. Okay, this is unit 2. Okay. Okay, so therefore we suppose that x plus 1 is a factor, or is if we suppose that x plus 1, or I'll suppose if x equal minus 1 is a root of f of x. Therefore I'll just erase this. Therefore I'll just write x plus 1 is a factor. This is what I'm going to show. Okay, so all of you learners, you have this equation. So try to use long division or the factor theorem or the remainder theorem to conclude this one. Therefore I'll just write between parentheses x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, this is what you are going to show exactly. Okay, therefore this is f of x, this is my function f of x is equal to that. Now I will suppose that x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, I will just replace x with minus 1. Then I will try to replace here x with minus 1, give us f of minus 1 is minus 1 cubed. Okay, minus 1 cubed plus 2 times 2 times minus 1 square minus 5 multiplied by minus 1. Okay, then I will use a calculator. You can see that minus 1 in fact is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cubed is equal to minus 1. Then plus 2 times 1 squared is plus 2. Okay, plus 2. Then minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 will give us plus 6. Okay, then minus 6 plus 6 plus 5, sorry, plus 5, then minus 6. This one, learners, look here, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 plus 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore I will just tell that x, as here I proved that x equal minus 1 is a root. Therefore I will tell that between parentheses, or I will use rows. Therefore I will tell that x plus 1 is a factor, is a linear factor, is a linear factor of f of x, Why? Simply because the remainder here is equal to 0. Okay, now already, let's say, demonstrate this. If you want another method, I will just do it here down. Okay, this is the first method. The second method, we used what? We used a factor theorem, and we used what? Remainder theorem. Okay, now the remainder theorem is 0, therefore x plus 1 is a factor, and go back, we'll tell that x equal minus 1 is a root. Okay, therefore I'll just tell that f of x, which is equal to, in fact, 2x plus 1, 2x equal, okay, therefore I will just write f of x can be written as is equal to x plus 1 multiply by, between parentheses, multiply by a times x square. You should find the value of a, but not now, just when the question is looking for, hence to solve for x. This is ax square plus bx plus c, then I will close the parentheses. This is the function of x, plus the remainder is 0. Okay, I will try to appear this one. I will try to find the value of a and b and c. Okay, here it's clear. In fact, if we are going to use this method immediately, I will just write this as, but this one I will show this after, but I'm going to let you think first, okay, of the possible answers, okay, for a and b and c. Okay, I will just write here what? Write f of x equal x plus 1, f of x equal x plus 1 multiplied by ax squared plus bx plus c. Therefore, learners, the coefficient of x cubed is 1. You see this one? I will write here, I will write up here 1. Okay, this is 1. This is a new techniques if you want to use. Oh, Simona. Now go back. Okay, just this one. Okay, then 2, I will use with a red color. -5 with another red color. You put the mobile in charger, please, okay? Okay. Then, okay, like that. Therefore, I will just write, look, the seeds, we told -1 is a root. To find a, so a is 1, okay? A, in fact, is equal to 1, okay? I will make 1 times x squared, then I will erase 1, because 1 times x squared is x squared, okay? Therefore, learners, you can tell that, okay, to find b, it's very clear. You are going to make 1 multiplied by -1 plus 2 gives 1 plus b is 1, okay, is 1. I will also make this is with red or with the blue, we told, okay. Then for c, I will make, here we got 1 multiply, okay, it will be a times, so we told, just I will check again, this is 1, the coefficient of this quadratic equation is 1, because here we have 1, then 1 multiplied by -1 plus 2 is 1, then 1 multiplied by -1 -1, okay, it will be 1 multiplied by -1, it will be -1 and -5, it will be -6, okay, this is -6. Therefore, -6 now multiplied by -1 is what? Is 6. 6 minus 6 gives 0. This is plus 0 here, no need to write it, okay? So this is the new quadratic equation when you, let's say, use the method of long division, okay? Now, learners, I will just show this one for you. This is the new technique that I showed to you. It's always applicable. Okay, now I will go to the next one. So, Turkey, and is it clear for you? Because here the highest power of this polynomial function is to the power 3. And we found that x plus 1 is a linear factor, means x equal -1 is a root, meaning that the remainder is equal 0. That's why x plus 1 is a linear factor, meaning that when you are going to set x plus 1 20 equals 0, you will get, let's say, x equal -1. Means if f of -1 is equal to 0 here, means that really x plus 1 is a factor, and therefore also x equal -1 is a root of x. Now I will use, we told, long division to solve this question. Okay, I'll just try to use this one. Okay, so this is clear, I thought. Okay, Now hence factorize, then fully, hence factorize the expression fully. Okay, here you can, before that I will just, in this equation I will use the method of long division. I will try to write, or to suppose this is okay, long division. I will use which one? Which symbol, Mr. Murad? Not this one. But it's too big. No problem. Okay, it works. Now learns, I will insert this, insert a square for the answer here. Okay, and also this one I will make copy, Control V, Control V. This is learners is the divisor, which is x plus 1. Okay, or I will make this one, no problem, x plus 1. It's better use this one, x plus 1. And this one, the divisor learners, is in fact equal to x cubed. This one, f of x is 1 x cubed. I will go back here, is x cubed, I will tell, minus what? It's clear. Then this is the quotient, this is the divisor, this is dividend, and this is the quotient. Okay, no problem if it comes like that. Let's clear that. Okay, I'll put like that. So if you are going to divide 1, let's say x cubed by x, will give what? Will give 1x square, 1x square, and this one should be reduced by 1. Therefore 1x square multiplied by, let's say, x give us what, learners? Give us, okay, I will put it down if it is possible, equal 1x square. I'll just write it here in front. Okay, then 1x square multiplied by 1 is 1x square. I'll make like that, sorry, plus 1 plus 1x square. Control V. Okay, go. Okay, this is x square, simply because 1x square multiplied by 1 is 1x square. Then I stop here. Okay, now learns, I will just reverse the sign. I will give them a negative sign. The sign of 1x cubed is positive, so therefore I will put here, it is possible where to put it. First of all, I will expand this and that. Okay, I will go down to extend this. So with all that, now I will reverse the sign. So I will make here minus. Okay, okay, and this is positive 1, I will make minus 1. Therefore learners, 1x cubed minus 1x cubed is 0. Then 2x square minus 1x square give me only 1x square. I will write here 1x square. Okay, then I will extend this. This is the 1x square. Then I will write minus 6 minus 5x minus 6 minus 5x minus 6. I will put them down. Okay, like that. Okay, now I will try to divide 1x square by x gives what? Gives plus 1x plus 1x. Okay, we'll erase the rest. Okay, don't worry, I will erase this. Okay, then 1x multiplied by x gives I will write it down. Okay, will give me what? Will give me exactly 1x. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, so will give me 1x square. And you should also make sure that if 1x square is positive, then you should reverse the sign. I will put in front of this because I can't put negative sign between this and that. Okay, because of the mouse doesn't work here. Okay, then we told 1x multiplied by x is 1x square. 1x multiplied by 1 is plus 1. Is plus 1 what? Plus 1x. Plus 1x. Okay, means 1 multiplied by x here, learners. Okay, what is this one? Now, learners, it's clear that after that you are going to subtract this. I mean, this one should be subtracted from this. This is the sign of this is positive. I will make now minus. The sign of plus 1x is positive. I will make also minus. Okay, now just addition, 1x square minus 1x square to be cancelled out. Then minus 5x minus 1x will give me what? Will give me minus 6x. Okay, this one will give me, okay, minus 6x. Okay, this is minus 6x. I will go there and write 6. Then minus what? Minus 6. I will write it down. Minus 6. Okay, learners, now minus 6 x divided by x gives me minus 6. Minus 6x divided by x gives minus 6. Sorry. Okay, we told minus 6x divided by x is minus 6. Then I will multiply now minus 6 by x. I will go just down there to write this again. Okay, or up, whatsoever. I will extend this. Okay, I will paste this one. We told now minus 6 multiplied by x, minus 6 multiplied by x is minus 6x. Then minus 6 multiplied by positive 1 is minus 6. So this let's say the sign of minus 6 is negative. I will make now positive. Okay, then this is minus 6 is negative. I will make, let's say, positive to reverse the sign. Therefore, if we are going to add a minus 6 plus 6x, it will be 0. Then minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Therefore, the remainder here, I will just add here remainder equal 0. I can write down, but no problem. I will extend like that. Okay, no problem. I will write it like that. Sorry, somewhere. Therefore, this one is equal. Go back. This is R, isn't it? Okay, this is R. I will write down. Therefore, this one is equal to what exactly? Is equal to 0, 0, meaning the remainder here is 0. Well, that's why we have a remainder 0, that's why we told that x equal minus 1 is 0. This is the long division. Therefore, now if we are going to see the quotient here, learners, what is my quotient? Is that I will use this one. It's very important. Okay, therefore your function 1x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 in fact is equal to the linear factor x plus 1 multiplied by this quadratic equation that we really searched and found the coefficient of a of x squared, the coefficient of x, and the constant. Means the a is 1 and b is 1, c is negative 6, like that. Okay, or if you don't have, let's say you forget about this method, to find this a, b, and c, you see a has the same coefficient of x cubed, that's why here we put 1. Then to get the b, just you multiply 1 by the opposite of plus 1 is negative 1, because this is the root. Means you multiply 1 by negative 1 will give you minus 1, plus 2 it will be plus 1, that's why here it's plus 1. Then this number 1 should be multiplied by minus 1, then you should subtract negative 5. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1, minus 5 is minus 6, then minus 6 multiplied by minus 1 gives 6, minus 6 is 0, therefore this is that's why the remainder now is equal to 0, means that already x plus 1 is a linear factor, and what else, and then okay, this is learns how to use the method of completing the square and solve. Okay, I wish that is clear for you, for Mr. Turkey who asking for revising all the chapters. Okay, so it's easy in fact, just understand the way how we solve this. Okay, boys, it remains only maybe 15 minutes, then I'm going to stop here. Okay, hence to factorize, therefore I'll just write f of x, which is equal to, okay, I will use this one, control, I will write here, control v, this is my function f of x. I'm going to factorize it. What does it mean factorize it? Okay, I will erase all of this, no need. Okay, sorry, yes, no need. Mr. Adl, I thought that it's clear at least. Turkey, you نقص صوت. Okay, now this one 1x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to, between parentheses, x plus 1 multiplied by this one. Okay, ooh, sorry, go back. Okay, multiply by, I will make x squared or 1x squared, or I will choose this one, the same here. Yes, this one, or this, the same by farq. Okay, we see the quotient. So which method, in fact, it's easy, the first and the second, so choose the best. All of them, they will lead you to the correct answer. So now f of x is equal to 0. We factorize this. You should first of all solve this one, learners. I will, let's say here, I will try to plot two pictures. I will try to do my best. I'll put here. Okay. Yes, good man. Now, good man here, this one. Now, learners, I will suppose that we'll try to find two numbers that add to give 1, and they multiply by themselves to give what? To give a minus 6. Okay. So I will just suppose that the factors of minus 6 is in fact 2. I will just write them here. Factors of minus 6 is equal to what? Equal minus 2 multiplied by multiply minus 2 minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply by 3, or I will just, okay, now I will do this like that. It's better. Go back. So the factors of minus minus 6 learners, in fact, where is it? هذا تضيع العدد الحين. Okay, so we told minus 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, this is the first odd pair of numbers, or let's say 3 minus 2. Okay, this the possible ordered pair of numbers that satisfy my two condition. Look, the minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1, but this is plus 1, so I will exclude now this one. Therefore 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6. Therefore this one is, in fact, I found the two. It will be x plus 1 multiply by, between parentheses I will make x plus 3, close the parentheses, multiply by x minus 2. This the roots of this is the how we can factorize fully my expression. Therefore now if the question is try to I will just now erase this one, no need. Okay, this is also no need, we mentioned this. Now learners, if you are going now to solve this polynomial to the power 3, it's clear you factorize it. So it will be x plus 1 equals 0, means x equal minus 1, or x plus 3 equals 0, means x equal minus 3, or x minus 2 equals 0, means x equal 2. Okay, I'll just put this up. I will reduce this one like that. I will appear your mathematic pioneer in mathematics, Mr. Murad Sultan Zwidi, and make sure that I love you so much, my learners, and I wish at least I give you some slight idea about how can you work with the questions. Okay, now learners, move to the next part. The question is solve for x. Therefore I will use this one, in fact, copy, I will come here, solve for x, I will extend this there. Means what? Solve for x means you are going to set your function of x equals 0. Means you are going to write, okay, set f of x equal what? Equal 0. This is the means. This is equivalent to what, learners? Is equivalent to or identical, equal. So 1x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, means also that x plus 1 multiplied by x squared plus 1x minus 6, which is equal to 0. We factorize this. I will just write this one is equal to 0. The first one, the last one that we factorized equal to 0 means what, learners? Means we have two options, two solutions, two roots. Okay, you will tell that x plus 1 equals 0, or you will tell like that. Okay, I will do it okay like that. Okay, no problem. I will tell that x is equal 2 minus 1, or x is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to 2. Okay, let's see the roots, learners, of your polynomial function. Thank you for listening. Inshallah tomorrow, if I found time, learners, I'll try to continue. Okay, this is partial fractions, if you remember. This is the question if you want to think of. Okay. What else? This question, try to think of this till okay, you can make screenshot given the function g of x equal x cubed plus y cubed. Calculate g of minus 1, factorize fully, find a and b in this identity. We did this also in the classroom. Question 4, find the value of a and b and c such that x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 4x plus 3. You are going to use long division, and you should, let's say, appear that a in fact is 1 because the coefficient of x squared is 1 and here is 1, so 1 by 1 is 1. Then you are going to complete b and c to find their values, okay, using by splitting yes, this fraction into partial fractions. Okay, we move to see the next question if we have. This is what we will see tomorrow. This is when polynomial function of x to x cubed plus ax plus c is divided by x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. The remainder are 5, 10 and 1 respectively. Find a, b and c. Okay. The next question, if y equal x cubed plus 2x minus 1, y dash is 3x squared. Then find the gain of the tangent to the curve at the point x equal 1. Okay. The equation now of the tangent at the point 1, 2. Find the coordinates of stationary point on the curve equal y minus cubed plus 3x. بعدين question 5, find the coordinates of stationary point on the curve y equal minus x4 plus 4x3. This is the question we will see tomorrow. Sketch the graph and state the range of values for which the function is increasing and the number of distant roots of minus x4 plus 4x3 equal 0. Okay, and this is the curve when you can write your answer. Then, oh my god, now, okay, given now, let's say the data set is 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 15, 1, 3. I will pick this. The given data set is 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 15, 15. We told, do you hear me? 15 altogether, 15. 1, 3. Find the variance and standard deviation. Okay. Now, the last question. If root of 1 plus 500 plus 53 divided by 676 is 1 plus a divided by 26, then find the value of a. Okay, this is the reasoning question, learners. Thank you for listening. We'll see inshallah tomorrow or after tomorrow. Not sure tomorrow or after tomorrow. Okay, save, of course, Mr. Mart, save this. Okay, now we just stop recording.